Hello all, welcome to our channel. LinkedIn post content. LinkedIn will be total four types: image, video, website link, YouTube link, and articles. There is a four options. One is image uploading. Second one is called video uploading. Third one, website link or YouTube link. Fourth one is called article. Article nothing but you can write your article. They can generate by as a keyword type. Suppose you don't have any website, you can write that article like title and the description mentioned and are published by the LinkedIn option. Here I am selecting one of the website name is called iamfit.in. In this particular LinkedIn, I am selecting one post will be here. Post is created, done. This post I am done by your LinkedIn option. LinkedIn best advantage is called at a time in LinkedIn, we have two advantages. We can post at a time LinkedIn and Twitter also. How it is happening? Go to LinkedIn's collection. Option name is called here will be setting and privacy. Open it. Here we can scroll down will be into the account preference. Just scroll down. Twitter account. They already connect with your Twitter option. So one LinkedIn profile at a time will be posting for LinkedIn company page, profile and the Twitter options are applicable. But any LinkedIn company page before running, you have to create your branding page. That nothing but create your company page option where you can go to for business, create your company page. The company page is called what are they running for gym, education center, whatever you're running, saloons, you can create by page. Just they will be branding purpose. But that ads is not running from the LinkedIn. Why? Because LinkedIn purely for education and you can running for any software related regarding. But you can any business you have, you can create by the LinkedIn company page. First preference is called all pages. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn. But Facebook and LinkedIn will be created by the company pages. So those is a important option. So coming to the LinkedIn account, first of all, my page was created. Page creation very easy. Only for three steps you have to finish it. One is called your company, showcase page, education institution. So showcase page nothing but sub page. Sub page nothing but my institute name is A. Showcase A1, A2, A3 is the sub pages. Like I'm into the digital marketing, SEO, social media, YouTube training. These all will be showcase pages. In this company, name, automatically you are created, website your industry, organization name, type and add your logo, tagline, verify it and create the page. After create the page, it will visible will be like this. You can add will be in setting locations, everything will be into here. First of all, LinkedIn profile you can select. When profile will be selection time, here we can click this. This is the profile. This is the company page. Any LinkedIn, first of all, you can post content will be LinkedIn company page. After that, in a posting will be in this select, copy, done, select image. Image will be no limit is there for image purpose, but video will be up to 15 seconds will be targeted. So if you more than 15 seconds, they will not accept it, not accepted. Single second will be not accepted. So here is that. Click here and click for post it. After done your LinkedIn company page post, same as this post, we can repost it. Here will be click for post to anyone plus Twitter account. This is nothing but they will reach will be account will be here. Small correction. When you're sharing this time, what are the links and phone number? Please move on to the front. Reason for Twitter purpose. Reason will be Twitter purpose. Twitter will be only visible by the 280 characters. So that is the purpose. I'll moving for front. Click for post it. After post done, it will show Twitter or not. The compass important. So go to Twitter account, click for profile. When you are coming to profile, the June 17 will be post here. Refresh. 1 second back. Okay, LinkedIn post, click it. When click for Twitter, redirection to LinkedIn, one is your profile option, second will be company page. What are the advantages? Anybody looking for LinkedIn followers, what are the content you will be sharing? LinkedIn to Twitter. So Twitter will engagement will be LinkedIn connections and followers. Profile nothing but connections, company page nothing but followers. So that is the reason. What are the page you design? First of all, will select will be here. So start posting time. Select your name. What are the name you have? Select the company page. Post it after sharing your profile and Twitter account. So what is the first target is called? Your company page. The same policy will be Facebook on your LinkedIn account. Sir, only image will be possible, another will not possible. You have number of options are there. What are the options are? Image, video, and event. Another one is called celebrate an occasion, sharing your hiring, create a poll. Last one is the articles, add your documentation. So that those options are here is the particular things. Question and poll. Add option. You can click for add option. How much duration? This last duration will be 2 weeks. So create polls also will applicable on your LinkedIn company page. So these are the steps you can follow it and upload it. And coming to this, that in your LinkedIn company page option, here lot of changes are here before posting. Photo, video, poll. This will be very, very important. Write a article. Write article nothing but click the write article. Select your option name here. Upload image. What are those content? Copy the content. Content will be here. Headline and click for next. And don't add the more content. Why? Because there will be clumsy. We can go for content. Click for publish. Copy the link. Open for another tab. See what the article. Join I am Fit Fitness Studio. Most in demand gym ingredient your 12 weeks program. So people watching this one, they read the content will be here and they will contact will be a particular option. So URL will be not visible proper. So that will be here is the option. Click here, they go to your particular website. So article also will be engage your keywords and they can promote your business purpose. So that is only for article option. So those article will be done and click for close it. This is your purely for LinkedIn company page option. With your company page, no LinkedIn profile will be different. Every profile is called branding purpose. Those brandings are will create by the in this particular option. So any further question, please contact our channel. I definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.